Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a low sleek side part bun using my Cantu leave-in conditioner, some Eco Styler gel and some pink glosser. So guys, as I said earlier on, these are the products that I'll be using and the good old Eco Styler. And yes, today I have my coconut oil. So here I'm preparing my hair for the hairstyle. I had my hair in some twists for a few days, so I'm just spraying it with some water to moisturize it. And then I'm taking out the twist with some oil just to prepare my hair for this hairstyle. So after taking out my hair from the twists, I then spray a bit more water in the hair because I use my hand to separate it on the side where I want to part it, just before using a wide tooth comb. I do this because it prevents breakage, any damage, or me just ripping out my hair with a comb. And this may not work for all hair types, but I do like to spray a lot of water in my hair. The damper my hair is, the easier it is for me to style and slick down. And it's easier for me to section my hair just to achieve this hairstyle because my hair's quite thick, so sections just work easier. Anyways, I go on to add some leave-in conditioner once again, just to make it a little bit more manageable and easier to deal with. I section the back of my hair again just to make sure that it's properly detangled. The smaller the sections, the more likely your hair is going to be easier to manage and less breakage, less knots. And this is like my kind of everyday method when styling my hair. Spray water, add leave-in conditioner, detangle with your fingers, and then go through with a wide tooth comb or a denim brush, and then style as you please. So now I'm looking to slick the back half of my hair down. So I go through it with my detangling brush, and then I brush it down with a hard brush before applying the gel, just to make sure the hair is like nice and sleek. Once I apply the Eco Styler, I then slick it down smooth with a soft brush. And also guys, I like to style my hair using these scrunchies because they don't rip out my hair, they don't cause any breakage, they simply just slip right off. So that's why I use them, and you can get them on my website, naturalhair.com. So I'm just repeating the steps as I did with the back earlier. And as I said earlier, everyone's hair is different. I choose to use leave-in conditioner every time I style my hair, but secretly I am just trying to finish this product because, yeah, I went through a trial and error phase, and I just want to finish this leave-in conditioner. But a lot of product can leave build up, so you don't have to use it every time you do your hair. Sometimes I do just use water. So before I apply the Eco Styler gel to my hair, I like to swoop it around with the hard brush and just put the hair into place. And then I will use my tail comb to neatly swoop the hair in position. So after that, I then go with a soft brush. But honestly, guys, do whatever suits you. Hard brush, soft brush, whatever like helps you out to slick your hair. Do it. And yeah, let me know if I should be doing something else. But yeah, this is what works for me. And I never really use this brush in my videos because for a long time I was convinced that it tears out my hair. So that's why I don't even sell it on my website. But now I think I'm using it correctly and it's actually quite nice. I like the curls that it gives. Now that I'm happy with the placement of my hair, I then go on to catch my hair up into a tighter hold while sliding off the other satin scrunchies. And like I said earlier, these don't damage your hair, they don't rip out my hair, they just slide right off. So I'm just tying up my hair, making sure it's all neat, and now I go on to start my edges. It's not perfect, but it would do. So now I'm gonna tie down my hair and put on my bonnet so my hair stays in place. But accidents happen.
A few moments later.
So I let my hair dry for about 45 minutes to an hour. The longer the better, to be honest. There's still a little bit of frizzy bits left, but that's going to get dealt with. So beside the little minor frizzes, I was quite happy with how the hair came out. So I then accessorised my hair with a black satin scrunchie to finish off my look. Thanks for watching my YouTube video, guys. Please stay tuned for more videos. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know anything you want me to do. And peace out.